Making good custom GPTs is hard, but making them better is even harder. That's the hard part, actually. Until now. In this video, I will show you exactly how I use Claude Code to make my custom GPTs better. And the good stuff about this is that it's way faster, way easier, and actually I can go way deeper and improve my custom GPT like never before. So let me show you that. By the way, if you want to learn how to craft outstanding custom GPTs for your business or get access to ready-made custom GPT for sales, content, and marketing, check out my online community, CCGG, on School. Okay, now let's suppose I want to improve a custom GPT I've just created, this voice AI prompt optimizer, using this Claude Code project or workflow that allow me to create and improve custom GPTs using my GPT Express Mastery framework and using multiple sub-agents that Claude Code can call and run to do the framework, GPT Express Mastery framework, step by step automatically. So now I've created a custom GPTs using this workflow, using this system. Now I want to improve it. So let's test how it goes. Okay, I want to improve the voice AI prompt optimizer custom GPT that we've created. And to improve it, basically, I will give you an example. It's a good prompt to create AI voice agent, which is similar to what this custom GPT voice AI prompt optimizer should do. And so what I want you to do is to compare the current system prompt and knowledge base of voice AI prompt optimizer GPT and compare that to this other system prompt I've found that has the same purpose and that is validated by some people doing AI voice. And I want to evaluate both the custom GPT, current custom GPT, and the competitor, which is a prompt that I will give you. And I want to analyze the strength and weakness of both and also figure out what you can implement in the custom GPTs, what kind of modification you can implement in the current custom GPTs to improve it based on what the competitors do good. Oh, my broken English, whatever. And then I put here competitor system prompt. So here that's the other system prompt I found and my initial query. So now what it will do, it will analyze the custom GPT and compare it to the competitor system prompt. And so that's the work plan. Read voice AI prompt optimizer system prompt, read the knowledge base, then compare both approaches and identify gaps and provide specific improvement recommendations. So here, what I did is comparison. I found a prompt that people are using to craft AI voice agent prompts, and I have my custom GPT, and so I want to compare both to see what kind of improvement I can make on my custom GPT, right? But I could also have another approach, which is I could have tested my custom GPT and then found, oh, this is not great, I got this kind of issue, etc., and write some sort of report, test report. I could have submit to this exact workflow in Claude Code to improve my custom GPT, to have Claude Code improving my custom GPT based on my findings when doing the tests. Okay, so what it did here, it analyzed the voice AI prompt optimizer GPT and also the competitor custom GPT. And so find some strengths to mine, some strengths to the other one, and then find gaps in the current custom GPT that we have. Okay, missing voice-specific technical rules, conversation flow management, real-world context missing, strategic consultation approach missing. And so it recommended some modification to implement. Add voice-specific technical guidelines section, enhance template repository with voice-specific examples, add strategic discovery phase, and add iterative testing framework. And then it's asking, would you like to implement this improvement, updating custom GPT system from the knowledge base with specific enhancement? Of course we want. Yes, absolutely. Improve that, please. Implement the improvement and be sure that it's optimized for a well-working custom GPTs with a slick system prompt and a knowledge base that is complete and optimized for LLM retrieval and execution. So once again, it will implement the improvement and it will deploy the necessary agent to enhance the system prompt and knowledge base. And so what it plans to do is deploy the prompt architect agent that is specialized in system prompts, that's what it's doing here, deploy the knowledge optimizer GPT, agent that is specialized in crafting good knowledge base for custom GPTs. And then it will do the integration of the improvement, which are here. And finally, validation step with final GPT package for production readiness. Okay, so here it's asking if it can change some files, edit the system prompt file. Of course it can, and doesn't need to ask me permission for the next steps. Okay, now the system prompt has been improved. Now it's the knowledge base that needs to be improved. And so the knowledge optimizer agent has been called, and we proceed with the optimization of the knowledge base based on the findings Claude Code found, comparing the custom GPTs with the other custom GPTs doing the same work. So you can see the reasoning of the knowledge optimizer agent. I need to completely optimize and enhance the voice AI prompt optimizer knowledge base aligned with the newly enhanced system prompt and integrate the competitors' superior approaches with the different elements to integrate. Okay, so knowledge optimizer agent has finished. It's done. Took 2.5 minutes. And now we have UX designer agent that I improve the conversation starters, the title, and the description of the custom GPT. So let's see what it does. I need to create an optimized custom GPT interface element, title, description, conversation starter for the enhanced voice AI prompt optimizer. It gives some context, gives the new capabilities, its users, competitive advantage, requirements, so know what it needs to do, and design the elements. And that's it. So that's the report. We have optimized the voice AI prompt optimizer GPT. We have added the strategic discovery framework, the voice specific technical guidelines with filler words, rules, symbol reading standards, etc. Real world testing mindset, dynamic template architecture, and we have the new elements, the title, description, conversation starter, and key competitive advantage. That's a success. For instance, that's the new system prompt. Core identity, mission statement, operational scope, knowledge integration framework, process execution framework with the strategic discovery execution, some elements about user interaction, quality control, some operational guidelines with constraints, and that's it. So that's pretty cool because that means each time I find some good practices around AI voice, for instance, I can just go in this project and then select the voice AI prompt optimizer and ask Claude Code to improve it and implement the improvement. Analyze the improvement if they make sense and insert them in the current custom GPT elements, system prompt knowledge base. That's it. So it's super powerful. We are basically leveraging the Claude Code capability to orchestrate multiple agents. And I've created the agents following my GPT Express Mastery framework. I've created the agents so that they can execute this framework in a super manner. So you can see here, the use case is creating custom GPTs with my framework that is proven and battle tested, but you can expand this logic to any framework you have. And so you can see that this type of approach can replace many things that you would do with no-code automation, such as make.com or n8n, because you have already a level of automation with the natural Claude Code capacity to orchestrate some agents to execute a given process or framework.